Creating a systematic, simplified process that you can follow day in and day out is the only way that you can truly know what helps drive success for you and your calling processes. And that's what we've been focused on here, is we've been diving into the advanced search options in PhoneBurner. So hopefully you've been watching all of the advanced search training module videos and you've been learning all of the different options that are available to you right now. But on this specific training, we want to take this a little bit deeper. We want to talk about a feature or functionality in PhoneBurner that I believe a lot of you are taking advantage of, and that is the ability to trigger an email after each phone call. So you have the ability to send a specific email based off of the disposition that you click on. And hopefully you're taking advantage of that. And then there's another aspect of that I don't know if you know about it or not, but that is the ability to include trackable attachments. We call it Smart Sender. Smart Sender allows you to upload content into the PhoneBurner system. We're talking about videos, audios, images, documents, links that you can then include in an email, and then our system will track whether or not somebody accesses that file. So one of the most popular aspects to this is the ability to upload a video to PhoneBurner. And what's really cool about this is you can actually track if somebody starts that video and if they finish that video. And so what I want to talk about here on our training today is how can you take advantage of not only emailing from PhoneBurner, but take advantage of the tracking that is part of the Smart Sender feature in PhoneBurner to help you identify specific contacts that you might want to focus on. So let's jump back over to contacts. We're going to open up the advanced search. And in the advanced search section, you're going to see this option called contact activity. Now, hopefully you've already watched the video and you've seen what options we have here with contact activity, and you already have some sort of a concept or an understanding of the concept here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to talk about how to tie this together and create a saved search that you might want to care about and to create some specific records or contacts that you want to focus on, maybe each week or each day or whatever that might be, right? So if you're doing dials every day and you're sending emails every day, you might want to look at all of the contacts that interacted with the emails that you sent yesterday that may have clicked and watched a video or started a video, right? So that you could focus on those first before you even start doing any other calls, right? So let's open up the folder section, because again, we don't want to just look for anybody who's done a certain thing. We want to look for people who've done that thing in a specific folder. So remember, we're working out of the leads folder, or maybe you're working out of the contacts folder. I'm not sure exactly what you're doing, but you should have one folder or a few folders that you're putting all of your data into to start prospecting out of. And then we build off of that. So we're going to focus on that folder, and then we're going to look for people who did a specific thing. So again, if we're dialing daily, we might want to say, you know what, if we're dialing daily and we're triggering an email, and that email includes a video, we might want to find everybody who started watching that video days ago exact, 1 day ago, right? So we put in 1 and then hit apply. So that's everybody who started a movie yesterday. And that could be a view or a saved search that we save, right? So I'm going to call this one video started and hit search. Now, of course, I don't have anybody that qualifies for this specific search criteria right now, and you probably won't as well when you first create this. But this can become a view that you look at daily, and maybe you do a call to those specific people to check in with them and say, hey, I saw you started watching the video yesterday. What'd you think? What did you like best about the video? So that's another way that you can take advantage of the advanced search functionality in PhoneBurner to help you focus your time and energy on the contacts that you feel you'll be able to have the best chance of closing today. So once you create that saved search, or once you identify exactly what criteria it is that you care about, it might be that you just care about whether or not they opened an email, or whether or not they just went to the pickup page. They didn't need to necessarily start a movie or finish a movie. Maybe you're not even including a video, right? You just want to know everybody who clicked on the link to go access one of your resources. So this will allow you to identify those people that you care most about that are interacting with your content, so that you can try to connect with them on the phone. So anyway, I hope this helps you and your organization start getting more out of the PhoneBurner system so that you can have more success. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and happy dialing.